So hi everyone, how's everyone doing? Good. Yeah, so my name is Awab. Of course, some of you know me, some of you don't. We're all part of the Study Now team. There's a lot of us here. We have an office in London. I'm just going to give you a quick introduction and then we can get started. So we're just doing this event, I'd say, to interact with our students because we normally do this during enrollment dates. We thought we'd create an event during Eid, and there's food downstairs after this as well. We're going to be doing some one-to-ones with you guys downstairs as well, so just prepare for that. All right, thank you guys.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mary Ifechkudemoye, and the journey from Nigeria to York St. John has really not just been an easy one, but it was smooth due to the help from my agent, Study Now. And I was introduced by a friend to Mr. Festus, and throughout the process, it made it really seamless. It's someone that you can easily call at any time. I was actually disturbing him, oh God. At some point, I feel bad when I message him by 9 o'clock. I'll say, sir, I've not gotten this email. I've not done this, I've not done that. Maybe calm down. Because I like my things on point. I like getting the right information. I like knowing that, oh, I'm not on the wrong side of the law. Yeah, I just want everything to go smoothly for me. And getting to UK, passing the immigration, that's a hurdle there because I think everybody has their own experience. But for me, when I got there, the series of questions, I didn't see it coming. I just thought that when I get there, they were just like, oh, you're a student, coming. The next thing, the woman was like, what are you doing here? And I'm like, you're seeing my class. This should tell you that I am a student. She started asking me a series of questions, and luckily I was able to answer them efficiently, and I got into UK and I crossed the border, and the living condition and the cultural shock here, it's something that I'm still trying to get adjusted to. But it's actually been nice. My experience here, I have not been able to go out so much because we're students and we're living on budgets. But I'm really happy being here, and I hope to experience more things in the coming year. And being a placement student too, I have 2 years to be here. So school, work, yeah. I'm hoping that everything goes fine. Thank you very much. And my appreciation to Study Now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mary. Brilliant, brilliant. I've got another one.
Adiza Nenge.
Adiza, thank you. It's mostly about your experience, just being here right now at the moment.
Still adjusting. Hi, everyone. Living in London gets cold sometimes and gets hot at the same time. So you always have to carry a jacket. You don't know what it's going to be like. Yeah. It's been interesting. I feel like home with a lot of us around. I'm able to speak Pidgin and not miss home so much. So it's really been fun being here. The learning too, the teaching and the learning. The way we are being taught here is quite interactive. So we get carried along as should. This is my first time of actually meeting you, but he's been like a brother, yeah. To me, we connected really well, and he did everything. I actually wanted to go to school in Canada. I started the process and stopped halfway, and he just took it over and finalized everything. In fact, I got to London and I was wondering how I actually got here because the process was so seamless. From November and in February, I'm already here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for coming. I hope you enjoy your food.